A Walmart price match request can be denied even when you find a lower price because the item, seller, or offer may not meet Walmart's current price match requirements. By the end of this video, you'll know why Walmart may reject a price match, how to check if your purchase qualifies, and what to do if you think the denial was a mistake. The first thing to check is whether the lower price came from Walmart itself or from a third-party marketplace seller. Open the product page and look directly below the item title. If it says the item is sold and shipped by a marketplace seller instead of Walmart, that offer may not qualify for a price match. Comparing the wrong seller is one of the most common reasons requests are denied. Next, make sure you're comparing the exact same product. Check the brand, model number, size, color, quantity, and any included accessories. A different package size, bundle, or product variation can cause the request to be rejected even if the pictures look identical. If you made your purchase online, review your order details in the Walmart app or on walmart.com. Open the accounting, then iPurchase History or Order History, and confirm the item you ordered matches the lower priced listing exactly. Small differences in the listing can affect eligibility. Another thing to check is whether the lower price comes from a limited time promotion or special event. Clearance pricing, limited quantity offers, special promotions, and other restricted pricing may not qualify under Walmart's price match policy. Reading the details of the lower price listing can help you identify whether the offer falls into one of those categories. If you are requesting a price adjustment in a store, have both your receipt and the lower priced listing ready. Showing the product page with all the details visible makes it easier for the associate to compare the items accurately, instead of relying on the product photo alone. If you believe your request meets every requirement but was still denied, contact Walmart customer care or speak with the store's customer service desk. Provide your receipt, order number if purchased online, and the lower priced listing. They can review the request again and explain the specific reason for the denial, if the adjustment still cannot be approved. To recap, verify that the lower price is eligible. Compare the exact same product details and ask Walmart to review the request again if you believe it qualifies. Those steps resolve many price match disputes without needing to make another purchase. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick Walmart troubleshooting guides.